Okay, what tool do you need? A saw? Okay, I got it, Dad. What the heck? What are you guys doing in there? Guys, come on. Have some respect, right? Oh, guys, such a nice day out. Wait, I can't forget. What up, what up, what up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually starting this vlog off a little later in the day. It's probably around, see, I got my watch on me. Let me look at my watch. It's, sorry about this, horrible. 3:34. I don't know if you guys can see that because the stupid words are blocking it, but it's 3:34. What's today? Today's Saturday. Guys, I go back to school Monday. This sucks. Better start drinking. Right? I should probably stop the camera. I got nothing else to say. Let's go see what my dad's up to. It's muddy. I'm gonna pull in the clutch. More wood. What's up? Ugh. Let's go burn those computers.
You can't burn the computer.
Yeah, let's go burn them.
This thing is so full of ash, it's gonna be burning for like, I mean, I only got one box left.
Well, let's go put the,
Yeah.
Wait, here, I'll
burn
dump it in.
No, I gotta wait for that to burn.
I want to dump it in.
You can't.
It has to warm up a little bit, but it's in first.
What is it? Neutral's up?
Yeah.
Right.
Is it a neutral? Try rolling it.
Yeah.
Yeah, put the kickstand. You're gonna have to ride with the choke on a little bit. The choke's already on, so just start. It's gonna idle really high.
Now let it warm up.
Give it more gas. More gas, gas. Oh boy. Kids, wear helmets. Where's he going? Look at him. Oh my gosh.
Got a lot of weeds to go on now.
Yeah.
Man, we're turning.
Kids these days, they don't understand. He's actually pretty good at it. Getting the hang of it. Oh, he's going in the woods. See him? He was. Just got back. My hair's all a mess. Just went for a ride on the dirt bike. Man, thing's awesome. I'm about to go clean my truck now. Clean this thing up. My hands are frozen. I didn't even mean to do that. Alright, truck's all done. All I gotta do is just put some tire shine on it. This tire shine makes such a difference. Like, it's not on yet, but this is the stuff I use. Shout out to this company. I use them. It makes such a big difference, but everything else is done. I'm gonna put some on. It's still burning. Now it's time to clean this room up. Alright, so I'm almost done cleaning my room. You guys know it's like a little bit more improvement and stuff like that. What I'm doing is I'm switching up my room now. Move my dresser over here, my bed over here. Watch. Alright guys, hard work is paid off. Room looks great. Look at this. Bed over here, and you got that. So I can't get it all on the angle, but there you go. Looks great. I love it now. Now eventually we're gonna paint the room. So have that all, you know, painted and it'll look even better. So glad I got that done. I thought I was just gonna clean the room, but then I decided, you know what, let's move the dresser over there and then the bed over there. So we did that. I'm happy with it. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you here. All right. I got nothing else to vlog or nothing else exciting. I don't know what this vlog is gonna even turn out to be like. I mean, I don't know. It's probably gonna not to be good. But tomorrow I will be vlogging. So we're going. I don't know if I'm going to church or not. My last day to get to sleep in. So I might go to church, might not. If I don't, then I'll start the vlog a bit earlier. I don't know what I'll do, but we're supposed to be going out to do something, either movies or something like that. Probably gonna be tired again. I don't know how the vlog's gonna be. All right, enough of me talking. Guys, you could do anything you want, anything at all. You could do it. Just stay positive, no negative. Just stay positive, and it will succeed. Just be you guys. All right. I'll see you in the future. Don't forget to always, always, always keep smiling. Peace.